If you want to cancel your Google Wallet free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure you do it correctly and avoid any unwanted charges. Step 1. Open Google Wallet. Launch the Google Wallet app on your smartphone or access it through your web browser. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with your free trial. Step 2. Navigate to Subscriptions. In the app or on the website, look for the Subscriptions section. This is where you can view all your active subscriptions, including any free trials you may have. Step 3. Select the free trial. Find a specific free trial you wish to cancel. Click on it to access the details of the subscription, including the start dates and any upcoming charges. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. Look for the option to cancel the subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any information regarding the cancellation policy. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After you have cancelled, you should receive a confirmation message or email. Check to ensure that the cancellation has been processed and that you will not be charged once the trial period ends. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel your Google Wallet free trial before any charges occur. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Google support for assistance.